Alright, so we're back. I have, as you can see, I've removed that thing. Just let that circuit board hang there a little bit. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. So that's really all it is to it. Now when you get over here, there's a nut right here. And I had to use that and twist it off of there. That's all it is. And then you know, I'm just making this video because when I first realized I need a blower motor, I couldn't see it. A lot of times you can look under the dash and you can see the thing, and you can look out here on the firewall, but there's nothing. There's nothing. So I was like, well, where's it at? So it was back under the dash somewhere. I didn't know what I was going to deal with. I had to put a AC condenser the other day, just a universal one. I put a new dryer. I thought I was good to go, and my AC did work for about an hour or so, and then the fan motor just gets real weak, and then 3 hours later you can turn it back on and it'll work again for another hour, and then it gets weak again. So I'm thinking that's what it is. I'm still not 100% sure, but anybody changing a blower motor on this type of truck, that's where it is. So just wanted to get that out there for anybody. There's me. All right, y'all. Have a good one. 1995 2574 International truck. Blower motor change. 10-4. See you later.